Welcome to the Man Style Decree. In today's video, we uncover 15 unwritten style codes Milanese men quietly follow every winter. These aren't trends, rules, or loud fashion statements. They're subtle habits built through years of experience. Choices that make men over 40 look relaxed, confident, and naturally refined. Milanese winter style is calm, intentional, and never forced. If you're tired of guessing how to dress well in winter and want a smarter, more effortless approach, this guide is for you. Subscribe to the Man Style Decree and start dressing with clarity, confidence, and quiet authority. 1. The quiet collar rule. Milanese men over 40 understand that collars speak before colors do. In winter, they rarely rely on bulky layers to show refinement. Instead, they choose collars that frame the face quietly and intentionally. A soft spread or relaxed point collar worn slightly open creates maturity without stiffness. This subtle openness prevents the outfit from looking tight or overly styled. The key is balance. Enough structure to look intentional, yet relaxed enough to feel lived in. Younger men often chase sharpness. Milanese men chase ease. They know a calm collar softens facial lines and projects confidence earned over time. When layered under light winter pieces, this approach avoids heaviness while maintaining elegance. It's not about standing out. It's about looking settled. When done right, the collar never competes with the outfit. It completes it. This is why Milanese winter style feels effortless, never forced, and always quietly assured. 2. The Milanese knit weight secret. One of the most unwritten Milanese rules is knit weight control. Men over 40 avoid heavy knits that dominate the silhouette. Instead, they favor medium weight textures that move naturally with the body. This creates warmth without visual bulk. A refined knit should drape, not sit stiffly. When layered properly, it adds depth while keeping the profile clean. Milanese style never shouts winter. It whispers preparedness. The right knit allows movement, breathability, and elegance in equal measure. This choice also keeps outfits adaptable, indoors or outdoors, formal or casual. It's the reason Milanese men always look appropriate, never overdressed. The fabric choice reflects experience, not trend following. Heavy knits belong to fashion statements. Controlled knits belong to men who understand proportion. This restraint is what makes Milan winter style feel expensive, even when the outfit itself is simple. 3. Muted contrast over sharp contrast. Milanese men over 40 rarely rely on sharp contrast. Instead, they build outfits through muted transitions. Winter style becomes refined when colors blend rather than clash. This creates depth without visual noise. Soft contrast allows each piece to support the others, not compete. It also ages better, both on camera and in real life. Sharp contrast can feel aggressive. Muted contrast feels confident. Milanese men understand that subtlety photographs better, moves better, and feels more natural. This approach also prevents winter outfits from feeling heavy or rigid. The eye travels smoothly across the look, reinforcing calm authority. It's a visual language learned over time. When colors whisper instead of shout, the man wearing them appears composed, grounded, and self-assured. This is why Milan winter style often looks effortless. It's carefully restrained, not accidental. 4. The refined casual jacket code. Milanese men treat winter jackets as quiet framing tools, not focal points. Overly padded or technical designs disrupt elegance. Instead, refined casual jackets offer warmth while preserving proportion. The jacket should follow the body, not overwhelm it. This approach allows layering without stiffness. Milanese men choose clean lines, soft textures, and understated structure. The jacket works with the outfit, not against it. This restraint keeps the silhouette youthful and composed. It also allows the wearer to transition effortlessly between settings. When the jacket feels intentional yet unobtrusive, the man looks confident without trying. This is why Milan winter jackets never feel trendy. They feel correct. It's a balance learned through experience, not fashion cycles. Five, the sock visibility principle. In Milanese winter style, socks are never an afterthought. Men over 40 understand that visible socks anchor the outfit. They create continuity between trousers and shoes. Rather than hiding them, Milanese men choose socks that echo the palette subtly. This small detail prevents visual breaks that age the look. Socks should feel intentional, not decorative. While textures add warmth without bulk, while muted colors reinforce refinement. This is one of those details rarely discussed, but always noticed. When done right, it elevates the entire outfit quietly. Milanese style thrives in these small decisions. They signal awareness, not vanity. This is why their winter looks feel complete, even when simple. Socks are not an accessory. They are part of the structure. Ignore them, and the outfit collapses. Master them, and the look holds together effortlessly. Six, the soft coat proportion rule. Milanese men over 40 understand that winter coats should enhance posture, not dominate it. Instead of bulky or overly structured outerwear, they choose coats with soft shoulders and clean vertical lines. This keeps the silhouette long and relaxed, even when layered. The coat becomes a frame rather than a statement. When proportions are correct, the body looks balanced, not stiff. This is why Milanese winter style feels natural, not theatrical. The coat follows the man, not the other way around. Subtle tailoring allows movement and confidence, especially when leaning casually in public spaces. This approach avoids the try-hard winter look many men fall into. A well-proportioned coat communicates experience, not fashion obsession. It shows the wearer understands restraint. In Milan, winter elegance is built through quiet structure and calm balance, never excess. Seven, the knit-on-knit layering code. Layering knits is a signature Milanese move, but it's done with precision. Men over 40 avoid stacking heavy textures that create bulk. Instead, they layer contrasting knit densities, light over medium, to maintain flow. This technique adds warmth without visual clutter. The result feels intentional yet effortless. Knit-on-knit layering softens winter outfits, making them approachable and refined. Milanese men understand that texture does more than color in winter. When done correctly, it creates depth that looks expensive and lived in. This method also adapts easily from indoors to outdoors. There's no harsh transition, only continuity. It's a quiet skill developed over years. Younger men often miss this nuance. Milanese men master it. Their winter style feels cohesive because every layer communicates with the next. Eight, the understated heavy knit rule. Heavy knits can look powerful or clumsy. It depends on control. Milanese men over 40 choose thick knits only when the rest of the outfit is restrained. A single substantial knit becomes the anchor, while everything else stays quiet. This prevents visual overload. The key is simplicity in color and cut. Heavy knits should feel comforting, not dramatic. Milanese style favors warmth that looks calm. When paired with clean trousers and minimal footwear, the knit feels intentional, not oversized. This approach keeps winter outfits masculine yet elegant. It also signals confidence. Only men comfortable with their style can wear a heavy knit without decoration. Milanese men know when enough is enough. The knit speaks through texture, not noise. Nine, the jacket as a layer principle. In Milan, jackets are not final layers. They're part of the conversation. Men over 40 often wear structured jackets beneath coats or over knits, creating adaptable winter systems. This flexibility defines refined dressing. The jacket must be light enough to layer, yet strong enough to stand alone. Milanese men choose clean designs that don't interrupt flow. This makes winter outfits feel intentional rather than reactive. When temperatures shift, the outfit still works. This approach reflects experience. It shows the man planned his look, not just dress for cold. Jackets become tools, not statements. This is why Milanese winter style always looks composed, regardless of setting. Nothing feels accidental. 10. The calm color temperature rule. Milanese men over 40 pay close attention to color temperature in winter. Warm and cool tones are balanced, never mixed aggressively. This harmony keeps outfits calm and mature. Winter dressing becomes elegant when colors feel related. Milanese style avoids extremes. Instead, it builds cohesion through subtle shifts. This makes the outfit easier on the eye and more flattering to aging skin. Calm color temperature also enhances layering. Nothing feels out of place. The man appears composed, grounded, and confident. This is why Milanese winter looks photographed beautifully without effort. Color is used as support, not spectacle. Mastering this rule elevates even simple outfits into refined statements. The quiet collar balance. Milanese men over 40 treat collars as silent architecture. In winter, collar balance determines whether layering looks refined or chaotic. They avoid stacking aggressive collars that fight for attention. Instead, they combine soft shapes that sit naturally against the neck and jawline. This creates harmony when viewed from the side or while leaning casually. A relaxed collar keeps the face open and calm, which matters more as men age. The goal isn't sharpness, but ease. Milanese style favors collars that guide the eye downward, not outward. This subtle decision makes the entire outfit feel intentional. Many men overlook this detail and end up looking stiff. Milanese men understand that winter elegance begins near the face. When collar proportions are right, everything else falls into place effortlessly. The heavy knit contrast rule. Heavy knits demand restraint elsewhere. Milanese men over 40 use contrast to control visual weight. When a knit is thick, the surrounding pieces become lighter and cleaner. This keeps winter outfits from feeling bulky. Contrast isn't loud, it's structural. A strong knit paired with refined trousers creates balance. Milanese style avoids stacking heaviness on heaviness. Instead, they let one element carry warmth while the rest supports it quietly. This technique makes winter outfits feel breathable, even layered. It also communicates experience. The wearer understands proportion, not trends. Heavy knits become elegant tools, not fashion statements. Milanese men master this by repetition over years. The result always looks calm, confident, and understated. "13. The soft jacket over knit code. Soft jackets layered over knits define Milanese winter ease. Men over 40 choose jackets that drape rather than structure. This keeps movement fluid and prevents stiffness. A soft jacket respects the knit underneath instead of overpowering it. Milanese men value this balance because it mirrors their lifestyle, relaxed yet intentional. The jacket becomes a companion, not armor. When leaning or walking, the outfit moves naturally. This creates visual confidence. Hard tailoring would break the harmony. Soft jackets maintain warmth without sacrificing comfort. This layering method reflects maturity. It shows the wearer understands when to soften his presence. In Milan, winter style feels human, not rigid. "14. The winter texture hierarchy. Milanese men over 40 organize winter outfits by texture hierarchy. One texture leads, others follow. This prevents visual noise. When every layer competes, the outfit feels chaotic. Milanese style avoids that. They assign dominance intentionally, often to outerwear or knitwear, while secondary textures stay smooth. This creates depth without confusion. Texture hierarchy makes winter outfits feel luxurious, even with muted colors. It also photographs beautifully. Men who master this appear composed from every angle. This is not accidental. It's a learned discipline. Texture becomes the language, replacing bold color or patterns. Milanese men trust subtlety. They understand winter elegance is built through restraint and order, not excess. "15. The calm ending layer. The final layer in Milanese winter style is emotional, not physical. Men over 40 finish outfits with calmness. Nothing shouts. Every piece feels resolved. The last layer, often a coat or jacket, should quiet the outfit, not amplify it. This creates closure. Milanese men understand that winter dressing is about composure. When the final layer feels settled, the man appears confident without effort. This is why their style looks timeless. They stop before excess. Ending strong means ending soft. This philosophy separates refined men from those still trying to impress. In Milan, winter elegance concludes with restraint. Milanese style isn't about perfection. It's about knowing when to stop. These unwritten winter codes work because they respect balance, comfort, and maturity. When your clothing feels natural, confidence follows without effort. If this video helped you see winter style differently, support the channel by liking and sharing it with someone who values timeless elegance. For more refined, practical fashion guidance designed specifically for men over 40, subscribe to the Man Style Decree. Here, we focus on restraint over trends and confidence over noise. Your most sophisticated style years aren't behind you. They're just beginning.